Happy Friday! All right, everybody. So many of you know that we had traveled a few weeks ago to go up to Connecticut for a line that we were talking about launching that we were excited about for quite some time. So we are launching a new product line called Hale Hush here in May. Hale Hush is designed for that sensitive baby. All right, so those of us who have sensitive skin, we have a compromised barrier, which we will explain to you later what that means. So you have a compromised skin barrier, so maybe everything that you put on gets irritated, red, burns. Maybe it's something that you've had your whole life, or maybe it's something like Debbie's gone through last couple of weeks where...
Out of the blue. Never had issues at all. All of a sudden, I started reacting to just stuff that I normally... This is the key.
And we've been hearing that from a lot of people in the last 2 months, I'd say, where they're like, all of a sudden they're getting random rashes, they're getting red, things are burning their skin that they've never had, they used forever. Like, right. Oh, I love this product, and then all of a sudden, boom. So there's definitely some inflammation going on, or something, I don't even know what it is. Something's going on these last couple months locally. Although actually I had a client in here from somewhere else in the country, California, who said she just had the same experience a few weeks ago. So that is kind of why we brought this in. Not only is it great for general sensitivity, but another portion of the training that we did while we were up there was to focus on people who are going through chemotherapy and radiation treatments. So anyone who's dealing with cancer issues, because a lot of those, as we don't realize, it really does trigger a lot of irritation in the skin. It's things, we're very busy treating the concern and don't realize how oftentimes that side effect is inflamed, red, acne, irritated, dry, burning skin. So this line actually works with many people, and actually this amazing group of women up in Connecticut and Massachusetts that are working with this line specifically on people with cancer. So we're going to let that go to voicemail. Okay. So we're getting a lot of phone solicitation today. So anyway, so we are launching here something called the Oncology and Compromised Barrier Facial. So that is for anyone who's going through chemotherapy and radiation, or someone who, different autoimmune disorders present different challenges to the skin. Mm-hmm. So different medications will cause some of those triggers. So we have that now. We've had a lot of times where people are told when they're going through chemo that they can't get a facial or massage, they can't go to the spa, which to some degree, it's a little more complex than that. You have to have someone who is certified and is trained in oncology treatments. So you are able to come in and get a facial now. So if your girlfriends are coming in and you want to be a part of that, it's absolutely something now that we can do for you. All right. So if you have any questions, do not hesitate to call. Yes. If it's something you're like, well, I don't know, my doctor said this or whatever, please give us a call or even comment below, because other people might be thinking the same things. Mm-hmm. So, we're here to help. We want to make you feel better. We want to cure any issues that you're having, so you can feel better.
That's our goal.
That's it.
Is that everybody feel good.
All right,
no
guys.
matter what the situation.
Yes. So if you have any questions about this, you need to know any more specifics, you want to know more about the line, you want to anything, don't hesitate to reach out. Prior to any oncology treatment, we would actually do an extensive phone consultation as well, just to kind of see where you're at and what's going on to get the specifics. So
give me a ringy dingy.
Give her a ringy dingy.
My age shows every time I am.
No, when your age shows is when you're looking for Barry Manilow tickets today. That's when your age shows.
Barry Manilow is coming.
Yes. There was somebody else.
Really? No. If anybody wants to go with me to see Barry Manilow. My husband is out. Everyone I know that is out. So I don't even know if I'm going to go. But anyway, that's what's happening.
She needs a date. Anyone would like a date to Barry Manilow?
Well, and then they are very expensive, those tickets. So I have to really think about that. Anyway.
All right, guys.
That's enough about Barry Manilow.